I learned traffic rules from my parents while they are driving. I see how they follow the traffic rules and signals.
I never got any formal training about road safety. I generally learn on the go.
I learned about road safety somewhere in my teens, especially when I started driving my bike.
When I was 9 or 10-year-old.
6 or 7 years old, I guess. I come from a small town where traffic is super chaotic and there are absolutely no road rules as such. So I learnt about road safety from my parents.
I learned about road safety and basics of awareness when it comes to road safety around the age of 7 or 8 years, both in school as well as at home.
During the school days, you used to have a lot of traffic sessions from the traffic department.
As such तो road safety के बारे में कोई ट्रेनिंग मिला नहीं, लेकिन ड्राइविंग टेस्ट से कुछ दिन पहले उसके बारे में पढ़ लिया था.
ड्राइविंग शुरू की, then I got to know all about the traffic rules. तो with the license ये और मैंडेटरी था कि भाई आपको ट्रैफिक रूल्स आनी चाहिए. वहाँ पे तो पढ़ाते भी हैं ऐसे भी.
When I was 17 and it was all by myself, going through multiple rounds of internet surfing and all.
Envalior and ETAuto have united to combat road accidents head-on, igniting change through awareness initiatives spanning 5 major cities across India.
सड़क पे किसकी सुरक्षा करनी है? खुद की.
This whole activity is basically to make a responsible citizen for future.
We went to 10 different schools across the country. And in every school, we started with a warm-up. We educated the students about the importance of road safety, and then we got them excited about the concept of the whole campaign. We distributed chart papers to all students. We divided them into groups of 4, and each member of the group had a particular task. For instance, one member had to draw the different road safety signages. The second member had to think about a poem or a slogan on road safety. The third had to come up with an intersection and what happens on an intersection. And the fourth one had to draw a special vehicle like an ambulance, fire brigade or a police car.
मेरा नाम किरण है.
મારું નામ પઠાણ હસનૈન છે. હું ધોરણ 7માં ભણું છું.
My name is Deepika Kamath. I am studying in 6th standard.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮೃತ. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
My name is Anushka Saudagar Jagtap.
મારું નામ ઉર્વશીબેન કેતુલભાઈ વાસફોડા છે.
My name is Farhan Yasin Sheikh.
My name is ईश्वरी मारुति कुमकाले. I am from 6th standard. आज मैं आपको ट्रैफिक रूल्स के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ.
पुढे घाट आहे, गाडी हळू चालवा.
बस स्टेशन पर हमेशा धीरज રાખવું જોઈએ અને ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલોનું પાલન કરવું જોઈએ.
जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पे जब कोई चल रहा है तो गाड़ी रोक देना है, उन लोगों को निकल जाए फिर उस गाड़ी को स्टार्ट कर देना है.
ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಡ್ದು. ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀಬ್ರಾ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
This is the right age where if kids are able to imbibe the rules and regulations of driving safely, following the road signals properly, I think India will soon become a country which will have very fewer accidents and it's more safer place to be on the road.
Via this process, we have created 3,000 road safety champions, road safety ambassadors, who will spread the awareness among their friends and families, and it will help India to become a road safe country in future.
need to make sure that along with us, even the kids are completely aware about road safety. This is one of the reasons why you see Envalior as a team and ETAuto, both of us together are running this campaign of seeding the importance of road safety at the level of the kids.
Despite improvements in infrastructure, road accidents remain a concern in our nation, often due to factors like speeding, lack of seatbelt usage and distracted driving. Additionally, accidents involving pedestrians and cyclists highlight the need for greater awareness and education. To address this issue, Envalior brought the Street Smarties campaign to 5 cities, reaching out to 10 schools and positively impacting thousands of children. This initiative aims to instill safe road practices and promote culture of responsible driving from a young age.
सड़क सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी थोड़ी आपकी थोड़ी हमारी।